Good morning, guys. Si Jan tsaka si Kuya pala na golf.
Is Tato at golf as well?
Yes. And si Holly gusto niya ng wheat bix. Wala na tayong fresh milk. So, gagamitin natin itong full cream na yung long life. How about you, Sak?
No.
No? How many, Holly?
Is there dip for Jax?
Just one. Yeah, there's like.
I got cheese, not dip.
I thought you had that like cheese platter thingy. Cheese
No, wait, I don't have the dips, but I have the cheese.
Oh.
Do you want? Do you want me to make you?
No.
What's the sweet chili?
Yeah. One only, Holly?
Do you have rice and noodles?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
rice.
can I have that as
Yeah.
Please, thank you.
Breakfast ni Sak rice. 9:41. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-walking. Kasi nintay ko muna silang magising bago ako umalis. And again, binilin ko na hindi sila pwede mag-swimming. Dito lang sila. And si Sak, may phone naman. Tatawagan niya ako pag. Hopefully, wala naman. Pero, okay naman itong mga bata dito. Safe naman sila.
Oh, can you save me some of our rice and noodles? Because I might have some of that too. Thanks, Mum.
Fried rice.
Take 2 plates.
I'm just gonna hit it one in this plate first. Dito ko linagay yung fried rice sa Ziploc kasi para kumasya sa fridge kasi meron ako doon na yung malaki yung cold salad natin, yung chicken ko, and meron din yung nasa jar kung ano avocado na ginawa. I will heat this. You can just share.
Yep.
So, ayan, initin natin. Sak, share with Holly the chicken, okay? The schnitzel.
Oh, no, it's my snitch.
Yeah, you share with Holly.
My snitch with Holly.
I will heat it up together with the rice.
Not.
Yeah, you share.
Yeah, but there's tons.
No, it's not. It's
My
not.
Tato. That's my snitch.
Okay, I'll heat it up. And I want all these empty bottles in the recycle bin, please. It's up.
It's been 1 minute.
Yeah, it's not. It's still cold.
Been a minute.
No, I need 2 minutes.
I'm cold.
This one has empty bottles, box.
Holly's gonna help me.
Yeah, both of you. Inumin ko lang yung aking.
It's gross, isn't it?
No? Good for your body. Memory na naman ako. So, kailangan ko mag-transfer mamaya pag-uwi. And, ayan na yung kanilang kinakain. Ang sarap. Si Holly, nakadalawang breakfast. Alright. I'll see you, okay? Sak, look after Holly, please.
Yep.
Thank you. Holly, be good and stay here and watch the car if you're gonna go ride your scooter, okay? Alright. See ya.
Bye, Mum. Love you.
Love you too. Bye. Parating ko lang dito, guys. And sila, nakita ko sila sa
What is this?
jumping pillow.
What you get?
What I got. Oh my God. I went to my Fab Home Living. Meron tayong binili na naman. Ito is for my overnight chia. May binili na tayo, di ba? Nasa ref yun.
You got all the way.
Yeah. Oh, I have to stop now. I'm done my walking. I walk, how many K, Zach?
7.34K.
7.34K. So, off na natin to. Ano? I'm done.
7,340.
Na. So, bumili ako dito.
What she got now?
What's in this thing?
This is nice. Okay. So, this one is $6.99. Ayan siya. Where are you going?
What I drink?
What drink?
Mom,
Yes?
have you seen all the bottles gone?
Yes, thank you, my love.
Because that didn't help me.
Oh, didn't help you. It's alright. And this one, buti na lang may box. Marami akong gustong bilhin
I'm
doon,
going
guys.
back.
Para sa
Bye, Mama.
kitchen. Na mga gamit. Bye. Be careful there, okay? So, isa-isa lang kasi hindi ko sila kayang dalhin kasi nag-walking tayo. Eto, mura lang to. This is only, well, dalawa to kasi pinatong niya yung isang binili ko dito para, ano, madali ko lang bitbitin. So, eto, kasi diba dito sa amin, meron lang yata akong isang plate na maliit na pinag-iinitan sa microwave. So, bumili ako nito. Para siyang pasta bowl. Mura lang naman siya, $7.99. Mura ba to, guys? Feeling ko mura kasi ang ganda naman ng print niya, oh. And eto, wala siyang ganitong size. And gustong-gusto ko rin yung print nito. Nasa, magkano ba to? $39.99. So, parang $40 siya. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda niya. So, ito ang budol natin today. Ibalik ko to sa box kasi para sa bahay to. And ito, dadalhin din natin to sa bahay. Siyempre, sa maladi dito. I mean, hindi siya dito sa caravan. And meron pa nitong, eto gusto ko sana yung print nito na ganito. Kaso wala. Meron sila black. And meron pa tayo doon na kukunin. Hindi muna natin kinuha today kasi hindi ko kayang dalhin ang bigat. Kasi ceramic to eh. Ayan. So, wala na tayong tape. So, ay, ilabas ko muna tong isa kasi gagamitin natin to. Gamitin natin to dito. Diba, $7.99? Parang gusto kong bumili ito pa ng, we'll see. Tingnan natin kung makakabili pa tayo nito. Kasi yung aking bowl sa bahay is Corel. And gusto ko yung print nito. And meron din ako pinunta, nakalimutan ko lang yung, kay Willow. Willow Shop. Willow Boutique. Meron na naman ako nakita magandang hat doon. This one is $21. Ano siya, guys? Super soft cleansing brush. Ang lambot niya kaya nakuha ko siya. Brush. And 100% of profits dinodonate daw nila sa...
Yeah, ignore the noodles now.
No. We have lots of noodles though. Wildlife, forest, oceans, and world oceans. What are you doing there?
My face.
So, 100% na profits daw. Dinodonate nila. The what?
But can I have
What?
sandwich, one sandwich?
What sandwich? Ito ang ganda yung...
They have the noodles
Got
there.
salami there, Bubba?
Oh,
Ayan.
Oh, I know what I
Ang
want.
ganda.
Need some of that.
can I have my tea
What tea?
from last night?
No, there's nothing there for
Yeah,
you.
just the sauce.
No. It's not gonna be good.
Babe,
Yes.
salami, cheese, that's it, thanks. Just one, so I'm going to have banana bread.
Okay, so dami nilang request. So, itatry ko to tonight. Ang ganda niya, oh. Kasi ang ginagamit ko, yung, di ba, nagki-cleansing oil out, tapos cloth. So, try ko to. Si Kuya, kumakain ng pasta noodles.
Well, not.
Mouldy grain. That mouldy grain bread, babe.
Ha?
That mouldy grain bread.
Molded grain, okay. So this one, you only have one chicken barbecue, Han?
I just found over it. Where's that?
Han, only this?
Rex might be
Only one?
boarding.
How is that?
Just one.
Yeah, that should be.
I have the other barbecue,
What's
this
that?
one.
No, Willow's getting that
Rex
out.
might be
Okay.
She's getting that out.
If you're not going to come for soup.
That's it.
Oh,
I have my own chicken too.
huh?
Where are you going?
Oh, I want to go fishing.
Where are you
Go
going?
on.
Ay. Yung aking kanya. Do you want me to make you sandwich, kuya?
Oh.
And bumili rin ako ng dip. Ayan. Mexican dip.
Is it spicy?
Yes. And French onion.
Oh, yeah, I'll have
Okay.
some. I'll have some.
My jets, where's the jets? Here.
What is it? Stale?
No, it's not. I told you, every time you open, you have to cover it. You have to fold it.
Mine?
No, it's not. Wash your hands.
Bring
Because,
it out.
wash your
You
hands.
haven't been. You've been walking. You've been carrying stuff around.
Yeah, I
haven't
washed already.
you? Okay. Well, I don't believe you guys.
Well, I washed. You see that? Wash it properly. What must ate? Did he eat something?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Pony.
People asking why do you call me Pony? What's Pony? Tawag niya lang yan sa akin. What's this one? Mexican? Wala si Daddy naghihintay.
Ah, Mum. Just
No,
don't. Mum, don't drink this because it's frozen. I put it in the fridge.
Ah, it's good.
Ah. I don't want spicy Mexican.
Butter.
Can you pass me that?
Where is my butter?
Come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on.
How many sandwich, babe? Just one? Ah, yeah, because magba-banana bread daw siya. Baba, wash your hands. You've been jumping in the... Just one for Daddy, Kuya? Did you wash your hands, Kuya? You've been... Ah, okay. Nag-toilet na siya eh. Give me, plate, please. Excuse me.
I'm bringing this outside.
Okay, share with everyone there.
I'm passing it out.
Yeah, that's good too. Just one for Daddy. How about you? Do you want one?
Right.
Can I try that?
Yeah,
Can I try that?
Bring that home.
Oh, yeah. Gamit pala natin yung isang SD card. Pero kunti lang to. Kasi dalawa yung maliit kong SD card. Marami akong SD card yung sa Canon. Ito yung parang micro. Dalawa lang siya. Yung isa, 2 hours. Ito, 34 minutes or an hour. And habang naglalakad ako, may nakita akong bushes ng rosemary. Kumuha din ako, naamoy ko. Saan na yun? Ayan, kay Johnny Boy. Beba! Ah, Holly, give it to Daddy. Kuya, give it to Daddy. Ah, nandito pala sa bag ko. Ayan. Akala ko kasi magluluto sila ng steaks. Ilagay lang natin dito yan. Kasi madami doon sa Yamba Main Beach. Marami doon. Okay, hugasan ko lang yung mga kalat nila.
Dad wants the chocolate banana bread. That
Chocolate.
one. Yeah, the chocolate.
No, that's not chocolate banana. It's just a chocolate cake. Babe, chocolate? Gusto na raw niyang mag... Ha? No, the black. Nice, Baba. Hindi bet ni dyan itong bread. Matigas. Maganda lang ito sa toast. Wala silang baker's delight dito eh. Okay, get me the chocolate. Who else? Okay. Stop, Daddy's calling me. Moist choco fudge icing. So, chocolate cake nga to. Hindi siya banana chocolate bread. Baba.
Good, it was. Dad said it was.
Smells good.
Wait, it smells like mud.
This mud cake. One for you and one for Daddy and one
I
for
just
Holly.
want a tiny bit.
Does Willow want one? No.
As
Can you
Willow.
just cut like that, please?
For you.
Yes, please. 'Cause I was going
Ay, sorry.
Bonnie, don't scratch that.
No, I'm not.
Yep.
You can have this, Baba. And give this to Daddy.
No, he wants it just on the plate.
Ah, okay. I'll give that to Daddy. Is it alright?
Mmm!
No, not
Oh, you
yet.
might eat it all.
Meron tayo ditong avocado. Dessert ko na lang yun, yung avocado. Kasi meron akong nilabas na, kung maalala, nag-igado ako. Ayan, gusto ko kumain ng igado tapos fried rice. Naubos agad. Now what? This one. So you want more the chocolate? Daddy wants banana?
Yep. Hey, quick, do mine. Oh.
Wow, careful. You're the one. Just like this?
Mhm.
There's a foil.
Come on, Bonnie.
Is it good?
I thought it was chocolate banana cake.
No, it's a fudge. Mud. Ako na.
Awesome, is that good?
Yeah. This is a fudge. Daddy. Only Daddy or you or Holly?
Daddy.
Only Daddy? Sus, parang ang sarap. Masarap talaga to.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Okay, magugas na muna ako. Gamitin ko pala to. Hinugasan ko na. Someone's ringing. 0408. Saan to? Where's the phone? Ha?
I only want one.
Ah, you want more? Okay.
I'll have one and John wants.
Okay. May tumawag. Gusto nila
Yeah,
to.
I was gonna have some chocolate.
Wait. Di pa tayo nakakain. Sila nakapag ano na. Ayan. So, initin natin to. Ikat ko muna yung banana bread. One. Two.
Tell us another chocolate cake just for me.
For you.
That chocolate cake? Mm.
So, Wednesday, kuha ulit kami nito.
And that chocolate cake is so good, Mum. It's just not moist.
Yeah, hindi siya, dense tong chocolate, pero gustong-gusto naman nila. Yeah, ano nga siya. Okay.
Could have got a thicker one for me, but
It's alright.
I'll come back for more. Maybe.
Alright, initin ko lang yung akin. Ano na pala guys? 1:26 na. First meal natin to. Kain guys. Ay, may chili. Ano pala ako dito? May binili tayong chili. Ating avocado. I-dessert ko yun. Meron ko pala akong apple custard. Ang cute naman ng bowl natin. Very nice ang bowl. Kuha pa tayo dito siguro. So, yan yung itsura niya, guys. Kain. Okay, kain na ako. Gutom na me. Maganda to. Kasi portion, kitang-kita mo kung gaano lang karami yung makakain mo. Pwede ko ito maging bowl. Yung fried rice lang. Kasi wala nang ulam, masarap na siya. Ito yung atay. Initin ko pa, malamig pa yung atay.
Mama night. Yeah? Yeah.
Nag-edit ako, umalis sila. Zach, Daddy's calling you. Where are you? Hindi naman namalengke. May binili lang sila sa shop. Nandito pala yung ating saba. Ayan. Baba, what did you get?
Just wait.
Of course, coffee. And fruit boxes. You can do it. What flavor? Different flavors?
Where am I going to put this iced coffee? Dad!
Golden Pash. Some bread.
Dad!
What kind of bread?
Dad, you can solve that.
Coles.
Salt, coals.
Ah.
Dad, you can't.
We still have crumpets, but wow, you got Fredo biscuit.
Where do you think that is?
Sa
Stack. Pick them up.
yeah.
You want one?
Oh.
Better than mine.
Mum, you want one, Chewy?
No, I don't want you. I would like that Zachary.
So you gotta ask me.
What do you call that again?
Weather's original.
Where is the original? Just one for mommy. Oh, there's one open. Don't eat that one.
Why not?
Oh, I don't know. It's not in the bag. Why you open like that? See, you open. Pangit ang pagka-open
Mum, you know
niya.
you can make slime out of this.
Here, put it on the side.
And it can be edible and I'm
5, make it 5.
No, Pa. You have this one.
No.
Oh, don't you like uneven?
No. Thank you. Masarap to. Can you put that one sack in the bathroom? The fruit box, because we cannot put all that one in the
What?
fridge. Yeah.
Did you know, guys? You can make slime out of this, and it can be edible, but yeah, can't swallow it.
Whatever.
If you put water and this in it, without
I'm
chewing
cold,
it,
Han. Can we close that window, Han?
so that's
please?
what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. That one is okay for... You just bought that one yesterday. Ayaw niya. Tatapon niya
If
na.
you're cold, go sit out on a chair right there. In
No,
the sun.
I'm editing, Han.
Bring it out there.
No, there's
Bloody
no...
cool, It's hot out there.
There's no table there. It will be hard for me. Mainit sa labas, pero yung hangin kasi
So
malamig.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So first, we need a bowl.
I'm not making it.
No, Baba,
That's a
you're gonna...
waste.
Yeah, you're gonna waste 3 chewies.
That's a waste, Holly. Don't.
Oh, that... What's that one, Han?
I got one piece of steak, put on the barbie.
We still have a steak in the freezer.
Yeah, this is one.
One steak
Yeah.
for Johnny Boy.
Oh, we've got barbecue chicken, but
Yeah. Alright. Mag-edit, mag-work na
Holly, you're
ako.
not making it.
How's the fishing?
Good.
Did you get any?
Yeah.
What?
Fish?
Yeah, I know it's
Yeah,
fish. Big? Big?
Oh, no. Where?
I got soap there, yeah. Wash your hands,
I already
please.
did.
Okay.
What's this?
That's Holly's invention.
You still smell like it.
Mm-hmm. Ito, pumunta lang to sa
Where's Zach?
caravan pag gutom na. Pero maghapon siya dun sa, nangingisda siya. Zach, put the, please, the fruit box in the bathroom.
Sensei can do that because I've done a lot.
Come on. You do it, Baba, for mommy, please.
Do what?
The fruit
I
box.
put the bottles away.
Hi, Zachary. I asked you to do that and then
Hey,
you...
Dad, get off!
Wala na.
So I put the bottles away because that
Pardon
can
me.
help me.
Alright.
just do that. Defrost.
Defrost?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, i-defrost ko yung
Dad, may
kanilang
mga
Baba, can you put the kitchen lights, please?
And guys, look.
Oh, ito yung chicken na minarinate ko. Lagyan ko siyang Cajun spices na.
You know earlier that I said on my bubblegum
Now,
into
babe.
slime?
Now?
It is. I didn't chew it. I put it in cold water first, let that wait, and then hot water. Then it makes it into slime. You don't need glue or actual slime. You just need bubblegum. Cold water for an hour and then wait until the hot water gets cold.
Oh, is that the one now?
Yeah.
Ito ba yung binili kong Cajun powder? Lagyan ko to.
My water's not cold yet still, so.
Siya. Tatlong how many gamis did you put? 3?
So,
How many?
6.
6? How many?
Only 3.
3.
And it's big. You really thought I put 6, Mum? Why would you say that? Kajun.
Cajun.
Oh, I thought I was
Cajun or Cajun? Cajun up.
Kajun.
Can you open this for me?
Dad.
This is my chicken hand.
I'll have a water.
It feels good. At least it's homemade. Well, not with the gum, but with the slime.
I think try check this one.
Yeah, I'll go look out.
Oh.
Your hands are freezing.
Yan, lamig na sa labas na naman. Pag ganito lang naman na oras, pero pag umaga hapon, okay lang naman. Okay? Or more? Just press start. Just press for start.
Yeah, what do you have? Waters? Chicken?
I'm starting to hurt again now.
Huh?
Starting to hurt again.
Where you over, Jack?
Where's Kuya?
Over with Mac. They're, doing stuff. It's actually sitting here.
Doing stuff, huh?
Well, they're sitting there at the front of the ladle, doing just outside doing something.
Ayan na.
You come over and cook a boat so you can check it.
Yeah, I will just go and check. It's alright. Yeah. Put it here. Help Daddy, Baba. Open the door for Daddy. Pinatawag na ako ni John. I-check ko raw yung chicken. I-check ko daw. Kahit bata makakapagsabing hindi pa tuluto. Gusto niya lang ako pumunta dito. Ayan pa, meron pang what's this steak? Barbecue? Yeah, marinated. Ito na yung kanilang chicken barbecue. Yung akin na dito pa kasi medyo makapal to. And ayan yung steak marinated barbecue nila. Ayan yung steak na ram. Dami naman siya nakuha sa claw machine. Ayan na yung aking chicken. Nag-order kami ng chips. Dalawang dami. $20 yung dalawang chips niya. Yeah.
Can I eat now?
No, you were gonna wait for that one. Close that chips, Kuya. Close.
What have they got, salt on them?
Yes, salt.
Oh, can I eat now?
Not yet.
I'm not hungry.
Nice, na? It's alright.
You put chicken salt. That's flavor.
No, it's not chicken salt. It's chip.
Yeah, I'll ask for chicken salt. Good man. I do not like chicken salt. You could have told me and I would have got one chicken salt.
No, it doesn't taste chicken salt.
Are these ready?
Yeah, also. Do you want chicken?
What's
Okay.
that?
Chicken.
Mum, can you go with noodles?
Noodles?
We didn't go with spoon, did we?
It's alright.
You're not allowed to.
Pinalabas sila sa sa 8 ball kasi hindi pa sila 16. Pero pag kasama ng daddy, okay lang.
Hey, Mum. No, that one's mine. That one's mine. No, it's not. Yep, ready to use. This one can be used.
Okay, here.
No. No, Zach. No. Ew. Ew.
Okay. Maxi, come on. Other side, please.
Oh, Savio. Yeah, I'm in love.
It's all good? Everything's good?
Yep.
You wanna try this chicken that I made?
Yeah, we'll get a bit of everything down on
Yeah.
I'm sitting here. I was sitting up there.
Huh? You can sit here. Sit here, babe.
Aha.
You're right.
Dad, Dad. Can I go now?
Yeah. Come on. Hugas time. Hugas time na.
Huh?
Yes, I'm washing
Dad,
dishes.
I'm going with them.
Where are you
Yeah.
going?
With them. Bye, Mom. Love you. Bye, Dad. Love you.
Ganun lang ang gawa nila. Kain, laro. Do they have food dito na, huh?
Yep.
What's that one?
Caramel.
Get in and let your fat bastard. Talking
Huh?
to John, not you. I said, get in and let your fat bastard.
You want some or slap?
Nah.
Caramel.
Sure. Ito pa yung
I don't
tira.
need it. I really don't need it, John.
The kids will eat it tomorrow.
Just put it in.
I'll put this in a
Little pie.
ziploc, huh? It's easy. Oh no, I'll put it here. Ayan. Yung chicken, kumuha lang ang konti kasi busog pa ako. Nag-chips ako. Sarap ng chips doon sa yung island beach. Yung food truck doon. Ano bang tawag doon? May pangalan siya, something beach. Side beach, I think. Okay. Hugas time. Gusto na ako maghugas. Kainin ko tong atis. Si Sak nandito na. Si Jan tsaka si Kuya at tsaka yung iba pang kids at tsaka si Willow nandun daw sa kung saan ba sila naglalaro ng 8-ball. Tamis na nito kasi sobrang hinog na. Itong dessert. Upos. Ang pangit niya tingnan pero ang tamis niya. Alright, maligo na ako. Maligo na pala ako. Hindi ko lang binasa yung buhok ko kasi hindi ko naman to talaga araw-araw binabasa. And yung tatlo nasa labas pa. Kami lang ni Saka nandito. Time check is 8:14. And ginamit ko na pala yung bago kong binili na brush remover. Brush makeup remover yun. Maganda siya. Very smooth. And yeah, I like it. Kasi usually ang ginagamit ko pag nag-cleansing oil ako, yung tissue or cloth na pang mukha din. Pero yun maganda siya kasi hindi, as in very smooth talaga siya and basta maganda. So yun guys. So i-continue ko yung aking pag-i-edit kasi di pa siya tapos. Hopefully matapos ko and kung hindi man bukas ko siya tatapusin kasi 8:15 na. So we'll see. Medyo mahaba yung vlog na yun. So yun na guys. Thank you. Yun na yung ganap natin for today. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, Zach! Night. Good night, guys.
Because I think I do want you